explaining the so-called Higgs mechanism to people who are not physicists. I don't like some of the explanations which are given by some physicists who I think should know better. And all I can say is that, granted a whole lot which probably wouldn't be comprehensible anyway, you simply have to have a Higgs boson in the theory because you've generated masses using this background field, the so-called Higgs field, whatever that may be, and in principle you might think, well, you don't need to have a particle as well. It's the background field which generates the mass for the others according to how they interact with the background. In principle, you could look at the theory and freeze out the excitation of that field, which is the Higgs boson, by some device like making its mass go to infinity. But if you do, the theory becomes nonsense. And this is already known from work by, for example,